Hey, I'm Courtney. This is my first video, and I thought a dandelion would be a good place to start. They're simple, light, and kind of unpredictable, which feels about right for me starting this channel. The plan is to post a new painting each week, and honestly, it's just me showing up, trying things, and seeing where it goes. A little bit about me. I have been in accounting for 15 years. And part of me has always wanted to do painting and try painting and making videos and posting them on YouTube, but I've always had self-doubt, and my perfectionism and tendencies to overthink has kept me from actually doing it. So here I am, and I am going to try something new, and hopefully you guys like it. So at this point, I've worked through the stem, and really I just took two acrylic colors from the Dollar Tree. There's a darker green and a lighter green, and I just went in with the base for the shadow and then did some highlights with the lighter green. And the center of the flower is just a mixture of brown and yellow and white. And my goal for these paintings is to move as quickly as possible and do broad strokes and not overthink it. A lot of times I get caught up in the detail and I want to just get it just perfect and keep going over the same spot, and then usually I end up not liking it because I overdo it. So for my paintings, I'm moving really quickly, not overthinking the colors, and trying to keep it as simple as possible, using as few colors as I can. The fluff ball, I wasn't 100% certain how I wanted to do that, but this seemed to be the best and simplest approach for me, kind of doing a white background and then coming back over that with a little bit more detail, but not overworking it to the point where it seemed excessive. So really just working through it quickly and trusting the process, and if it's not just right, allowing it to be that, and moving on. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.